In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Discord account without access to your email. First, go to the Discord login page and click Forgot Your Password. Even if you don't have access to your email anymore, this step helps confirm your account details. Next, since you can't access the email inbox, go to the Discord support website. Click Submit a Request, then choose the option related to help with account access. Fill out the form using the email address linked to your Discord account, even if you can't access it. In the description, clearly explain that you've lost access to your email and want to recover your account. Make sure to include helpful details like your username, previous passwords if you remember them, and any other account information that can prove ownership. After submitting the request, wait for a response from Discord support. They may ask for additional verification before helping you regain access. Going through official support is the safest and only reliable way to recover your account securely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.